This is Getting Started, the introduction to the room video. Part 1, Getting Started. On 5, 4. Hi everybody and welcome back. This is Big Al over here at Paylor. Now we're going to get started. And to get started we have to have some tools and all of this stuff that you pretty much already have, okay? So I'm going to click on the paper. This is eventually what you're going to be drawing right here. Don't draw it now. But as you can see, there's going to be a couple of diagonals, okay, or orthogonals, and what's going to be the back side of the room. Accordingly, over here it says Getting Started. On the right is an animation that shows how to start a perspective drawing of a room. The lines that make up the X are called orthogonals, or diagonals. They meet at the vanishing point, and the rectangle in the center shows the back wall. Alright, so don't draw this yet, just want to show you where we're going, okay? Alright, now, X marks the vanishing point. If you have your paper lined up properly on your board, you can now draw these two diagonals along with us. The lines that make up the X are called orthogonals. To draw them, place a long ruler on one corner of the page to the opposite corner, kitty corner as we would say. Draw your first line and then move your ruler to draw the second line. The lines meet in the center of the page, and this is the vanishing point. That's the vanishing point right there. Okay? Alright, now, if you have that done, then you can draw this line. It says starting the room. To draw a room, start with a vertical line to show where the back wall begins and the right side wall ends. If the line is closer to the vanishing point, the room will appear deeper than if the line is closer to the edge of the paper. So if you want it deeper, go this way. If you want it more, less deep, more open, like a wide angle camera, go this way. Alright, so draw that line about where you want to draw it. I'm going to click on this to go to the next page. Starting the room. The next line starts at the bottom of the vertical line and is parallel to the bottom of the picture. This line marks the place where the floor ends and the back wall begins. So where the floor ends and the back wall, there's part of the back wall. So the room floor ends here. There's the wall. Okay? So just draw it straight across there. It says here to click on the horizontal line to see the next picture. Alright, we can do that. The next line starts on the left side of the horizontal line that shows where the wall and the floor meet. There's the left wall and the floor, they meet right there. This vertical line shows where the left side wall and back wall meet. It is parallel to the first vertical line. See they're parallel? It says click on this vertical line then, so go ahead and draw that and meet us on the next page. Here we are. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to put the last line, the last horizontal line that connects the vertical line on the right side with the vertical line on the left side on the back wall. That's the whole back wall of the room. This line shows where the back wall and ceiling meet. See, here's the ceiling going down to the back wall, so on and so forth. So, two diagonals, pick a point, vertical line, t squared over, vertical line, t squared over, and you're all set. Okay, and finally, here we are. The room is now complete. You'll go in there and you'll erase some lines lightly, carefully, and of course if you have some types of colored pencils, you may want to do that. I don't recommend it because there's a lot more to draw. But we can see now at least that this looks like the room. There's no windows in it yet or anything, but we're getting there. Okay? So we're going to take off right on here with our next video, coming right up in a few seconds. Okay, so finish erasing your work, and when you're ready, just start the next video.